To add Discord chat to Squarespace, start by opening a web browser and navigating to squarespace.com. Once you've accessed the site, log in by clicking the login prompt and entering your email and password. After gaining access to your account, find the drop-down menu and click on Account Dashboard to proceed to your account's dashboard. From the dashboard, you'll see various options, including website, selling, invoicing, content, memberships, scheduling, marketing, contacts, and analytics. To add a Discord chat, you'll need to create a widget, which can be found on the Discord website. After creating the widget, click Publish and you'll receive a link. To add the widget to your Squarespace site, click Edit. Then find the location where you want to place the widget and click Add Block. You'll see Embed as one of the options. Click Edit again and paste the link into the Embed field. With these steps, you should be able to successfully add a Discord chat to your Squarespace site.